Hello everybody, Silver Seeker here. Very excited today. We finally got some Dan Hurd prospecting pay dirt in the mail today. I've been waiting patiently for these. They're coming from BC and they made their way here. So today we're going to do the Gold and Gems pay dirt bag, which is $40 Canadian on his website. And we also got the limited edition Blue Chip Mine bag, which is $40 as well. I'll go ahead and read the description of these bags. I believe he just changed or removed the one from the gem bag, so I'm not going to be able to do that. But we'll read the Blue Chip Mine one. I'm very interested to see what we get out of this because this is a hard rock mine. We should be getting a little bit of hard rock gold in there. And honestly, judging by, I got a little excited and already did a little hand sifting through there. I didn't see any visible gold. I'm going to wash out the bag when I go outside to pan this, but there's some big chunks in here. And the plan is for this is to pan it out, see what I get initially, and then I'm going to take it to the rock crusher and I'm going to crush the rest of it to dust and see if there's anything at all in there. And yeah, so, but we're not expecting a lot of gold out of these bags, $40 each. The gems bag does have a lot of nice gems that we're supposed to get out of there. I'm going to have to get the checklist and make sure we sort it all out and when the time comes, but we're going to go ahead and read off the descriptions from the Blue Chip Mine bag. Limited edition, only 25 bags were made. You can watch the videos on March 22nd, March 24th of this year. He made 2 videos of him at the Blue Chip Mine collecting concentrates for these bags. It says, this is approximately a half a pound of material from the Blue Chip Mine. This material is a combination of 2 different mine dumps and high banker concentrates. Each bag will contain gold ore, quartz, pyrite, and gold. Every bag has been salted with a couple pieces of real hard rock gold to guarantee you find some Blue Chip Mine gold. So he says he does put in a couple of pieces. What that means, I don't know. We're going to find out. And I would imagine there's probably a little bit of natural gold in the unsearched cons, but who knows? It says the amount of gold in this bag is very small. This is for the experience and not for making money or getting rich on gold. He did add another little note in there saying that it's not for huge gold recovery. It's just a couple pieces of gold, I guess. And so that's the Blue Chip Mine stuff, and I would love to take this stuff to the rock crusher afterwards and see if we can get anything else out of it. That would be very interesting, unless I find a nice specimen in there, like a piece of quartz with gold on it or something like that, that's worth keeping. I might as well just crush it all and see if we can get anything else out of it. Okay, so we got our pans classified here. We got the minus kitchen strainer plus kitchen strainer of the gem bag. I've classified that so far. So there was a nice decent amount of minus in there and a bunch of plus. And obviously you can see right off the bat, you can see some gemstones in there. There's some quartz crystal right there. I believe there's some more. And in this bag, we're supposed to get gold, silver, natural placer sapphire, blue sapphire, topaz, an agate, polished red garnet, a big garnet, pink garnet, peridot, and a diamond, I believe. So we're going to see if we can pick all of those out of here. I'm going to maybe eyeball a few things here and show you. And then we'll take it out to the panning station and see what stays at the bottom. And see if we can pick everything out. If we don't get everything the first try, it's no big deal. I'll definitely find it in the tailings pile at some point. But there's definitely some nice little rocks and crystals in here. Look at that one, a little bit of purple in there. Very nice. Okay, so we are back from panning our gems and gold bag. I picked out probably 95% of the gems that were in there. I did miss a lot of the smaller garnets. I picked out a lot of the bigger ones. There were some pretty big pieces in there. And I honestly didn't look too hard for the diamond. Watching the video where he puts all these bags together, the diamond pieces are kind of yellowish. And they're pretty small, but I might have skipped over it, but that's the whole fun of it. I get to go through it all again and try and find it. But I got our stuff down to whatever's in the snuffer bottle here. I know there's some black sands. I sucked up pretty much all the heavies that were at the bottom of the pan. I just sucked them all up. Actually, I gotta make sure there's nothing stuck in the top here, like always. But we're gonna dump this out and see what we get. Definitely sucked up a lot of black sands there. Definitely a few nice flakes of gold in here. But let's give it a spin back and see if I can show you. I'm sure there's nothing but heavies in here, but I did get our piece of silver as well. Start to see the gold popping up. Try not to spill any water. But I'm gonna go through this very slowly and clean this all up, suck up all the black sands, and we'll be left with nothing but gold, and then we'll weigh it up and see what we get. So we did get at least a little bit of gold there, a couple nice flakes. Wouldn't quite call them pickers, but some nice flakes there. Okay, and the results are in. I'm pretty sure we managed to get all of the gems, and we did get a little bit of gold here in the gems and gold bag. So we ended up with 0.130 grams of gold right here. We got five nice little flakes in there, a couple nice little specks, and there was a little flake of mystery metal in there. I'm not quite sure what it is. I'm pretty sure it's metal. It's not pyrite, but that's all included in there. There is a little bit of sand left over in there as well, so that's being quite generous. But we did get some nice specimens here, and I'm pretty sure we got most of it. Depending on if you put 1 or 2 diamonds in this bag, that little speck right there in the middle is one of the diamonds. We did get some nice sapphires, peridot, couple of rocks right there, and then some hard rock specimens. I can't quite remember if this was in the gem bag or the hard rock bag, the blue chip mine. But, and we did get some polished garnet and some rough garnet. And this piece right here is a magnetic piece of magnetite, I guess, or meteorite, one or the other. But it is quite attracted to the magnet here. Just sticks right to it. And then, so that was the result from the gems and gold bag with the little piece of silver there. And our hard rock blue chip mine bag, we managed to pull some of this silver-like material out of here. I don't know if that's just sulfides or what that is, because after we crushed it down, I did go through, crush it all down. This is the gold that we got. I still have it in the pan. I don't think it's going to really budge the scale much, but we did get a nice chunk of hard rock gold right there. That's probably the biggest piece. And then some nice fine specks of gold there. And honestly, when I was panning this out, I was doing it a spoonful, a couple spoonfuls at a time, panning it out very slowly. This is very tough material because it has this silver sulfides and stuff, which is very heavy. And then all the pyrite, which is ridiculous. If you look right here, that looks like gold, but that is pyrite. There's a couple pieces of pyrite in there that do look like gold. It makes it very tough to pan this out. It is very challenging, I would say. I'm not confident that I got all of the gold out of here because even these pieces of gold roll around in the pan quite a bit. And so I'm going to wait and save all of the tailings from this, keep them separate. I'm in the process of ordering a cleanup sluice, which hopefully I'll be able to run all this material again and see what we missed. And I'll probably do that with all of my pay dirt. And I did recently order another 2-pound bag of Dirt Hog. This is all the gold that I've gotten from all of my pay dirt bags, but most of it is from Dirt Hog. The one on the left here is about 3 grams of pickers and little nuggets. And then that is about 3 grams of fines. So that's all of my gold pretty much. So I'm going to end up dumping this into there. And yeah, that does it for this video. Stay tuned. Hopefully my next video will be my Dirt Hog pay dirt, or if I end up getting my sluice in time, maybe that'll be it. But stay tuned to the channel, and I'll talk to you guys next time.